Hi there, my name is Sophia Fakoya, and I'm the Senior Operations Manager at Concora Consulting Group. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a donation form in Givecloud, whether you're launching a campaign, building a general donation page, or setting up a recurring giving form. Before we proceed, I would like to inform you about a distinguishing feature of Givecloud, which is the shop feature. So in Givecloud, it has a shop feature, and this shop feature you can add physical products which can be shipped to anywhere. You can add, for instance, you can add tote bags, cap, baseball caps, art, whatever, so or printed tees, so you can add that in the shop feature of Giftcloud. Let's dive in. So we want to make sure that we logged in into Giftcloud with our proper credentials, with our proper login details, and we are currently on the home page. So by the left hand side of the screen, we can see a list of items here. So we want to click on fundraise. Since we'll be creating a form, we'll have to click on fundraise. So we click on fundraise. So when you click on fundraise, we can see all forms, events, shops, peer-to-peer, membership pages, and archive. So we just click on forms. This is to show the existing forms in Giftcloud. So the next thing we want to do in creating the form, we'll click on this plus sign which says new. Then there's another page that pops up. So in this section, we see the donation form, supporter, events, contribution. This is the shop feature I spoke about earlier, membership, email automation, page, and many more. So we'll click on the donation form. So in the donation form, we can see here that it says there's a list of other items. So it's either you want to create a given experience. This is the highest performing donation form. Then there's also the impact giving. This is the a tailored donation experience focusing on impact. Then there's also the compact model, which is a streamlined donation experience for advanced users. And there's a classic form. The classic form is the most customizable donation form. Then there's the split fund form. This allows donors to split their impact across multiple funds. So for this walkthrough video, I'll be walking you through how to create a classic form, and this classic form can simply be embedded or linked on your website. So once click on classic form. So in the classic form, you can see it says untitled donation form. So this it has generated a code for this particular form itself, and that's why I said, because in Giftcloud again it treats like everything as a product. So this is a particular product, that's why it has its own particular code. So for the name, we just want to make sure that the name is customized based on your organization. So for this, I'll just be using test form. So the summary of where it needed most. So you just give an idea of what it's needed most and everything, just saying what the impact does or anything. And also want to make sure that in the process of doing this, our giving payment gateways are linked to the fundraising system, which is Givecloud. We want to make sure that it is linked to Givecloud so that when the form is published, it is easier for donors to make donations. So here we click on the category. So the category is simply the section in which the form belongs. So we can see here it says the talk shop, preside program, one night event, home based event. So just click on general donations. So and also we can see the price options here, which is today only and monthly. So today only is for the one time gift, then the monthly is for the recurring gift. So for the active date, we're going to include the dates here. That's if you have the date in which the particular campaign or this donation form should run for. Then you are going to include the goal amount date, the goal progress offset. So I'm making sure that we are including that. So you can either, so for this system, this fundraising system, which is Givecloud, is integrated with Donor Perfect. So that's why we can see here that it says track goal using Donor Perfect. So any one of the two, you can either choose track goal using Givecloud or track goal using your CRM. Donor Perfect is a CRM. Then also the tribute and the dedication. Either you allow tribute, required tribute, or no. So which is allowed tribute. This ensures that even when people don't want to dedicate a particular gift to someone, is not required. So this makes sure that everything is not necessary for them to proceed to the next step. Then allow notification. This is to make sure that when a donor makes payments, they are notified. And then the staff notification email. So this section updating is basically sending an email to the staff that yes, so person, a particular person has made a donation. So that's how the section works. So you just input the staff email. It could be your email, it could be the executive director's email, it could be the operations manager email, it could be the director of development email. So you just have to make sure that the email is imputed here. Then we proceed to the next stage, which is the custom field. So you can either add input. So for this custom field, which is we can see here, which says sequence. So you can just include any custom field that you would like. Then we move back to the next one, which is the page content. So you can include any page content that you would like here. So let me give an instance. Okay, so here's an instance. I'm going to include this page content here. So I just went to ChatGPT to generate this. So make sure everything is streamlined and structured. So this is the page content. Then you move to the next. You make sure that you save. So the page content has been saved. This is it. So after that, we move to the embed section. So this is it. So this is what shows on your website. This is for the embed section. So you can copy this link and embed on your website. So that's how it is. Then for Donor Perfect, you make which is your which is the CRM. So it varies. If your CRM is a different CRM, which could be either Bloomerang or any other CRM, it's going to pop up here. So this is Donor Perfect. So want to make sure that we sync everything. We choose the particular fund that the the campaign goes into. Then you choose the campaign, then the solicitation. So for this I'll just choose annual. Then for the solicitation I'll just choose corporate. Then the thank you letter code is just going to be something simple. Then the no calc will be no, because we want to make sure that it calculates. Then we'll acknowledge preference, which is the 1 AR acknowledge receipt. Then that's it. Then you just click on save. Then once you click on save, the form is live. So you just view the form. So we can see the form here. So you can see everything that we've created today, only every other thing. So that's that's how to create a form in Givecloud. And also, a well built donation form does more than collecting gifts. It supports clean reporting, stronger automation, and better donor experience. Because when your form is well built, well structured, donors are able to donors are able to relate. They have like a better experience with your donation form, and they will want to give and always want to come back to be a monthly donor if everything is organized and set properly. And if you found this helpful, stay tuned for more practical tutorials on building smarter system inside your fundraising platform. Thank you for watching.